given two angles and one side. What's missing? In this video, we will solve triangles involving angle, angle, side. That means, you are given two angles, and a side that is not between them. At first, it may look different, but the process is almost the same as angle, side, angle. Example, solve the triangle given, angle A equals 40 degrees. Angle B equals 60 degrees. Side A equals 8 units. Step 1. Find the third angle. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. That is, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. Let's substitute the given values, 40 degrees plus 60 degrees plus angle C equals 180 degrees. Subtract 40 degrees and 60 degrees from both sides of the equation. Angle C equals 80 degrees. Step 2. Apply the law of sines. Let us use side A because it is given. Step 3. Solve for side B. Let us set up the equation. B over sine 60 degrees equals 8 over sine 40 degrees. Cross multiply. B times sine 40 degrees equals 8 times sine 60 degrees. Divide both sides by sine 40 degrees. So we have B equals 8 times sine 60 degrees over sine 40 degrees. Using your calculator, sine 60 degrees is approximately equal to 0.866, and sine 40 degrees is approximately equal to 0.643. So, B is approximately equal to 8 times 0.866 over 0.643. B is approximately equal to 10.78 units. Step 4. Solve for side C. C over sine 80 degrees equals 8 over sine 40 degrees. Cross multiply. C times sine 40 degrees equals 8 times sine 80 degrees. Divide both sides by sine 40 degrees. C equals 8 times sine 80 degrees over sine 40 degrees. Using your calculator, sine 80 degrees is approximately equal to 0.985, and sine 40 degrees is approximately equal to 0.643. So, C is approximately equal to 8 times 0.985 over 0.643. Side C is approximately equal to 12.26 units. And that is how to solve triangle involving angle, angle, side. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.